Changamoto utokea katika safari ya wokovu, ila mapito yako yanatendeka kwa wema.
Back to business, mom.
Piga simu. Okay. Hi guys, and what's up, good people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is Ruth, and of course I'm here with my cartoon. My son Jaden Morara. Please remember to subscribe
to my
his channel. Please guys, subscribe.
Yeah,
support him. Support him. Nishasema your channel is Jaden Morara.
So guys,
so guys, welcome to today's video. It's another interesting video. Last time, was it like 1 week ago, or was it some few days? I did a video of unwrapping my fridge, and today what I want to do is to clean the fridge and restock a few items that we bought today. I think it's a week or some days. I don't know.
Stickers.
Yeah, na kutoa hizo stickers
zenye zimeshikilia.
I didn't know. Yeah, so in the other video I had said I was going to mention the person who gifted me this fridge. Of course, this is none other than Catherine Williams. Thank you so much, Catherine. May God bless you. Yeah, may God bless you. She's the one who blessed me with this fridge. So she allowed me to mention the name, and therefore today I've decided to mention. Actually, my house is too tiny. Ndo hizi shopping nimekelea hapa chini. Ndo imagine nimekelea. Actually, I'm using warm water hapa, and these Pride detergent washer. So let's get started. I will first clean the fridge, and then we will restock the few items that we bought.
Thank you.
Come on, Diana. Anyway, okay, guys. I don't know what she normally says.
Guys, let me entertain the guys.
No, come we clean together.
Let me entertain you guys. Leave alone with mommy.
No, you come.
Okay.
You help me in
Bro, let's start from here up.
Open.
From here up. Let me remove
so guys, let's get started. I'll put my water here so that I'll use it from here. Kuna changamoto utokea katika safari ya wokovu.
I'm gonna throw.
So guys, let me show you after restocking my fridge how I just had to arrange it. So up there, if you can see well, there is beef here, then there is smokies right over here, then there is chicken on the other side, then down here we have ice cream, Those are vegetables, and then this is also vegetables. So that is all about the upper part. Let me show you the lower part. The lower part, this is what we have. Del Monte drinks, the apple drinks. I got a few of them, not a lot. Like, I don't know how many are they. 12 or how many? Yeah, and then down here we have some yogurts. And then we have, of course, soda and a Minute Maid. And then some 2 eggs here. Yeah, that is all. That is all about the restocking of our fridge. Yeah. So I'm going to restock a lot. I told you I'm going to restock slowly by slowly. And of course, I was gifted again. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time, say you bye bye. Please remember to subscribe kindly.